Watermelon. Now repeat after me. Watermelon. Watermelon. Meaning. A watermelon is a large, round, or oval fruit with a thick green rind, sweet red or pink flesh, and black seeds. It is refreshing and typically eaten fresh, especially in summer. In a sentence, she sliced a watermelon and served it at the picnic to keep everyone cool. Here, watermelon refers to the large fruit she prepared for the picnic. Let's try another example. The children enjoyed biting into juicy watermelon slices on the hot afternoon. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using watermelon. Synonyms. Some related terms for watermelon are melon, a category of fruits that includes watermelons and cantaloupes. Citrullus, the scientific genus name for watermelon. Antonyms. The opposite of watermelon would be none, as watermelon is a specific fruit, it doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Watermelon is a noun referring to a large, juicy fruit commonly eaten in summer. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.